Morning we have Dixie Doo. Hi, Dixie Doo. And we have Clinton too. Hi, Clinton. Hi, Clinton. Did you get your treats? Got some almonds and pine nuts. Clinton's going home today. Clinton, we're gonna miss you. Hi, Dixie Doo. Where's that Xena Doo? There's Xena. There she is. Looking outside. Oh, whoa. Where are you going, Clinton? Woo, woo, yay, good boy, good girl, I mean. Who's that, Xena? Huh? Should we say hi? Xena? Hi, baby girl, did you fly over into the other side? Get a better view of it. There's Clinton. Xena's over there in the window. And Dixie's on the other side of Clinton. She's eating pine nuts is what Dixie's doing. Yes. Dixie's like, I'm sorry, Clinton, you don't like that camera in your face, do you? Good girl. Xena! Xena! What are you doing? Yes, wanna fly? Yay! Good girl!